Everybody, it's Mr. Wilson with Jared. We're going to be shooting his solo script. So it's very simple. We're going to do it really quickly so you can see how it's done. So first, you're going to get a wave shot that looks something like this. You're going to go through the whole thing from beginning to end. Fire and set, roll tape, tape rolling, action.
Hey, why are you using your phone, Gary? You know, if you get caught using that, you'd be in big trouble. I'm not mad. Plus, I have a phone at home. And I see a teacher coming this way. Told ya.
Good. One more is the safety. That one was good. Fire and set, roll tape, tape rolling, action. Now we shoot the medium close-ups. So this is what the medium close-up should look like. Good headroom, good nose room, see both eyes, bottom of the frame, right below the chest. Now we get 2 good takes of this. Fire and set, roll tape, tape rolling, action.
Why are you using your phone, Gary? You know, if you get caught using that, you'd be in big trouble. I'm not mad. Plus, I have a phone at home, and I think I see a teacher coming this way. Oh, yeah.
That was good. Now we get the safety. Now we're going to get the medium close-ups of this character. He's going to take off his jacket so he looks like a different person.
It usually takes a lot faster than this. He had to go get a prop. But notice he's memorized his lines, so it's going quickly.
Right set, roll tape, keep rolling, action.
It's not fun. It's time. And I don't think this game, so yeah. It doesn't matter, you don't have a phone. Yeah, right. Oh, man.
We gotta do one more. Right set, roll tape, keep rolling, action. And now we've gotten all of your shots, but we think we probably have an insert shot to get, don't we?
Yes, we do. And it's the picture of what I was using.
Yes. Now we've got his establishing shot with his character on one side, medium close-ups of both characters. Now we're going to go shoot the establishing shot of him with the red shirt on the green screen. Let's go! Now we shoot the establishing shot of the character on the right on the green screen, and we're going to color key him into that scene, and we're done! Fire and set, roll tape, tape rolling, action!
First of all, it's have a telephone. And I'm going to keep this game, so yeah. Well, now, it's just mad that you don't have a phone. Yeah, right. Oh, man.
One more time for the safety. Right. Now he's done. Now he just imports in the egg. Woo!